Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today topic straight lines. In exercise 3D, first term and second sum. Find the angle between the lines 3x plus 5y is equal to 7 and 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, given lines are 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. We know that let theta be the angle between the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then cos theta formula, cos theta is equal to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square root over a2 square plus b2 square. Now here let theta be the angle between the lines 1 and 2. Then we have cos theta is equal to formula mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square root over a2 square plus b2 square. Now comparing these two equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then we have a1 is equal to how much? a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 5 and a2 is equal to 2 and b2 is equal to minus 1. b2 is equal to minus 1. Then we have cos theta is equal to all these four values applying this formula. Then we get the cos theta value. That's why cos theta is equal to a1 a2. That means 3 into 2 a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus 5 into minus 1 by root over a1 square 3 square plus b1 square 5 square 3 square plus 5 square and a2 square 2 square plus b2 square minus 1 square. That means 3 to just 6 minus 5 1 by root over 9 plus 25 34 root over 4 plus 1 5. That is equal to 170. 34 5 ja 170. Then cos theta is equal to here. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 170. Then theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root of 170. That is the required answer. Now, next sum. First sum and third sum in our textbook. Find the angle between the lines y is equal to minus root 3x plus 5 and y is equal to 1 by root 3x minus 2 by root 3. First I can write given lines. Given lines are y is equal to minus root 3x plus 5 and y is equal to 1 by root 3x minus 2 by root 3. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now these two equations comparing with y is equal to m1x plus c1, y is equal to m2x plus c2. We know the formula. If theta be the acute angle between the lines y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2, then tan theta formula. Here tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here m1 comma m2 are the slopes of the lines. Here m1 is equal to minus root 3, m2 is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, let theta be the acute angle between the lines 1 and 2. Then tan theta is equal to formula m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Whereas m1 is equal to how much? It is in the form of y is equal to m1x plus c1. Here m1 is equal to how much? Minus root 3. And m2 is equal to how much? m2 is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, m1 comma m2 value substitute in the value of tan theta. Then we get tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Right? That is equal to root 3 gets cancelled. Root 3 is 3. Minus 3 minus 1 by root 3 into 1 minus 1, 0. That is equal to something by 0, minus 4 by 0. That is equal to how much? Infinity. That's why tan theta is equal to infinity, theta is equal to pi by 2. That's why the angle between the given two lines is 90 degrees. Next sum is, first sum of the fourth sum. Find the angle between the lines ax plus by is equal to a plus b and a into x minus y plus b into x plus y is equal to 2b. Now, first I can write given lines. Given lines are ax plus by is equal to a plus b comes to left side, minus of a plus b is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now here a into x minus y, a into x minus y plus b of x plus y is equal to 2b. In this equation can be changed into general equation of the line, that is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That's why ax minus ay plus bx plus by minus 2b is equal to 0. Now I can write here a plus b into x. Next, b minus ay, b minus a into y, minus 2b is equal to 0. That is equation 2. Now, theta be the angle between these two lines. By using the formula cos theta formula, applying cos theta formula, let theta be the angle between 1 and 2. Then cos theta formula, cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square, a2 square plus b2 square. Right? Now here modulus, taking modulus. Yeah. Here a1 is equal to how much? a1 is equal to, from the equation 1a, b1 is equal to b, a2 is equal to a plus b, b2 is equal to b minus a, all these four values in the cos theta. Then we get the angle between two lines. Cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square and root over a2 square plus b2 square. Right? Now a into a square plus ab plus b square minus ab by root a square plus b square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b whole square, here b minus a whole square, here a square plus b square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab, plus ab minus ab gets cancelled, 2ab gets cancelled. Now we have a square plus b square by, right, write a square plus b square. Here a square plus a square, 2a square, b square plus b square, 2b square. That's why 2 times of a square plus b square root. That is equal to a square plus b square by root 2 into root of a square plus b square into root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square. This one gets cancelled. 1 by root 2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Then theta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Theta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Right.